Sweet Volume by Jacqueline Bardales, Giovanna Morales, and Vivian Valdez. The objective of this project was to use polynomials to find the maximum possible volume of a trapezoidal prism made from a 22-inch by 27-inch cardstock sheet. Students would, in groups of 3, design and decorate a container for a jumbo chocolate bar using a trapezoidal prism they created and presented during class. This is the horizontal net. It shows where different parts of the box would be. So you can determine where the height is, what the base is, what the x is, and in the next slide we'll show you where the equations are. So this is the math. The big B is 11.3 inches, the little b is 6.9 inches, h is 3.8 inches, L 14.4 inches, and the x is 4.4 inches. The first equation is the way to find the length. So to measure the length, add 2b to 3x, and it will equal 27 inches. You then find out that b equals 6.9 inches and x equals 4.4 inches. The next equation is to measure the width. So to measure the width, multiply the square root of 3 divided by 2x times 2 plus the length to get 22 inches. You then use x equals 4.4 inches to find that the length equals 14.4 inches. Now the last equation is to measure the height. Multiply the square root of 3 divided by 2x. You will then find that h equals 3.8 inches, which you want to use with a 60-degree angle. So this is the graph of prism's volume formula. To get the maximum volume, you must find where the peak of the graph is, and the peak in this particular graph is at 4.361, which is approximately 4.4, which is our x, and then the y is 498.63, which is about 499. Now these are the correct dimensions of optimized prism and its volume. Now what this means is that we plug in our numbers into this net, like the one we showed at the beginning, to show what the optimized volume would be. Now this is the picture of the box making process. You see that Vivian is cutting the box, and we see that Gio is beginning to draw and designing our box. This is the picture of the finished model. This is what our end result looks like, inspired by SpongeBob, of course. And these are our references. We use 3 different websites to help us along with this project. Thank you.